In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best Fujifilm cameras in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Point and shoot can be a great tool in the photographer's arsenal, especially for travel or street photography. Fujifilm's X100 series has long been a favorite among pros and street photographers, and the Fujifilm X100V is the best of the bunch. With a stylish rangefinder-style design, it's relatively compact, super well built, and, thankfully, performs about as well as you'd expect, given its steep price tag. Using the same 26MP sensor as the Fujifilm X T4 and Fujifilm X S10, the X100V comes with a sharp built-in prime lens and a unique hybrid viewfinder. Flip a switch, and it goes from an optical rangefinder to a high-res electronic viewfinder, giving you the option to engage with your surroundings or see exactly what your camera sees in real time. Of course, battery life isn't as long with a compact camera like this, but if you're looking for a portable all-in-one camera to take on the go, it doesn't get much better than this. Number 4. Another great Fujifilm camera is the Fujifilm X S10. This is one of the newest ranges from Fuji and is specifically designed for people who want to move to mirrorless but want different controls than the X T4 or X T3 series. It even has the same sensor as the X T4, but it's in this super compact body. Fuji markets this camera as being here for creativity, allowing you to get creative without the camera getting in the way. One way they have done this is to use 4 custom settings available on your dial. This is more than enough to use different shooting styles while out photographing. You get many other features from this lightweight camera with great image quality. You get a tilting screen, and great autofocus with face detection and great eye detection. On top of this, you get Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, so getting hold of the image quickly is a breeze. I am a fan of the fact that you can connect this camera directly to Instax printers. This means you can get instant printouts of your images within minutes. The camera also gives you up to 4K video options. It has webcam capabilities, so you can set this up as an easy streaming or vlogging camera for your home. If you like to vlog on the go, this camera is light enough to hold with your arm at full stretch for a while without getting tired. This makes the X S10 the best Fujifilm camera for vlogging on this list. Number 3. Fujifilm's X H2S is the newest camera in their X range and is specifically designed for speed. It is the first X camera that features the new X processor 5. It effectively doubles the camera's processing speed and introduces AI technologies in HEIF format files. On top of this, it reduces power consumption. And a longer battery life means you get more time shooting. Some of these AI technologies include better face and eye detection, and not just on people. The AI tech can now help identify birds, animals, and even vehicles. You can also see a big part of Fujifilm's quest for speed in its burst mode. The X H2S can shoot blackout-free bursts of up to 40 frames per second. And if you want non-stop continuous bursts, it can shoot at 30 FPS for up to 100 images. These are some fantastic speeds for such a small camera. And, if you want to go handheld in low light, you get an image stabilization system that can compensate for up to 7 stops. You can also find speeds in the upload times as the X H2S has dual card slots. And one is specifically for CF Express cards. This speeds up the writing as well as reading time for your images. The X H2S also has excellent weather sealing capabilities. It feels like it can handle more challenging environments than others. This also becomes evident with their new grip on the camera. It makes the camera feel much more sturdy. You also get a super light shutter release which takes the slightest click to release the shutter. Also, the X H2S comes with a direct connection to computers for streamers or vloggers. You can instantly register the camera as a webcam without any other apps. Number 2. The Fujifilm GF X100S is the newest iteration of the record-breaking Fujifilm GF X100 series. Not only does it have a medium-format sensor producing 102MP images, but it also does all this in a reasonably sized camera body. So there's no wonder it sits at the top of Fujifilm's range of cameras. The most significant difference between the GF X100 and the GF X100S is the size and weight. The GF X100S has almost reduced the size by half while still providing the same quality. But the most surprising difference is that the price is nearly half of the current GF X100. The GF X100S still keeps the same excellent autofocus system that appeared in the GF X100. It also has the impressive color handling we expect from all Fujifilm cameras. And this bigger sensor really pushes Fujifilm's capabilities to show us what's possible. They have made a small development in the image stabilization for this camera, jumping from a 5.5 stop range to a whopping 6 stops. It may not seem like a lot, but that half stop of light can be the difference between a sharp picture and an unusable one. The GF X100S also comes with 4K video. It doesn't have the best frame rate, but it still allows you to make fantastic quality films. Another nice addition that Fujifilm has added to its S version is a dial on the top with 6 custom preset slots. This is perfect for photographers who want to quickly change between different custom shooting modes. Overall, this camera is for peak performance in a portable form. It's especially great when paired with Fujifilm's beautiful G-Lens range. If you need the highest possible quality while out on location, this could be the medium format camera for you as long as the price is no issue. Number 1. The Fujifilm X T4 is the best all-around camera on this list. If you're looking for a Fujifilm camera that can do it all with excellent results, look no further. It is still an APS-C sensor, but the advantage of this is that Fujifilm was able to make a camera small enough to be the perfect travel companion. This sensor is smaller than a full-frame sensor, but this is bursting with powerful capabilities from its X processor 4 processor and its 5-axis in-body image stabilization. You will also find many handy and user-focused design choices around the camera. For instance, you get dual card slots, a must-have for any digital camera nowadays. You will also notice the tilting touchscreen display. This makes shooting a whole lot easier for certain types of photography, like concert photography or vlogging. Speaking of video, the X T4 offers 4K video at up to 60 FPS. This is more than enough for high-quality video outputs. The autofocus is as trustworthy as you would expect from the top range of Fujifilm cameras. The X T4 autofocus boasts the quickest speed of 0.02 seconds, so you'll never miss a shot. Fujifilm has also spent time developing how the autofocus works in low-light conditions. It has improved its low-light shooting abilities. And the star of this show is the 6.5 stop equivalent in its image stabilizing. If you like the stylish Fujifilm designs and want a camera that can perform to the highest standard, this may be worth looking into. For these reasons, I would say this is the best Fujifilm camera for street photography. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.